Need to fix Instagram add interest button not working? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you move into your profile and you want to add the interest on your Instagram bio, but the button is not working and you are not being able to add the interest. In this case, all you gotta do is move into the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here, if you see the option of update, then tap on update. Most of the time, updating the application has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. Wait for a while for the update to be completed. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Instagram. Once found, move into it. Click on Offload App. And then once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.